Barry is on his way. He is 8 minutes away. Whoa. Alright, so a lot of you guys probably know my car was hit a couple months back. It was hit again after it got hit the first time. Today was the day that I took my car to get fixed, and it's going to be in the shop for about 5 days, maybe a little more, because there might be some extra side work. However, it means I don't have a car. That means I'm getting an Uber right now to go pick up a rental car. So, he's 8 minutes away. How's it going?
Good. How you doing, buddy?
Good. Did you get my address typed in there? Perfect, yep.
When you turn 3,000 watts one?
Yep, that's it. Alright guys, in the rental car now. It's cool I get a rental car, but let me tell you a little bit of the background behind it. So how do you turn the heat on this thing? It's so cold. Here's a little bit of background. When I came here earlier in the beginning of the morning, they said that they would give me a Dodge Challenger, and I was so up for that, to kind of just test out the Dodge Challenger. It would have been cool. However, it's now like 8 to 10 hours later, and I got a different car, not as cool, but it's a Volkswagen Jetta, a new Volkswagen Jetta. So it should be pretty cool. It'll be fun. Either way, I got a rental car, which is nice. I don't have to use anyone else's car.
I knew you were here.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
How?
I looked.
No, why do you look? You're such a cheater. You can never.
I was looking for where you were, though.
You can never ever let me surprise you without you having to look. You got white girl crave again.
No, this I brought it from my home.
That's a plastic cup?
Yeah.
Liar.
They gave you a rental?
See.
Nice. It's nice.
See. I was gonna get a Challenger. Okay, this is what we're working with here. Volkswagen Jetta, red, just like mine, but nearly not as cool.
What is this? Okay.
It's my mom's gift inside of the Christmas card that the Duranson family sent.
Okay.
She's looking to get a new car. And I just discovered that these people that gave me this car, they gave me both keys on this thing that doesn't detach. So if I lose one key, I lose both keys because it's all in the same thing. Like, how does that make any sense? Okay, so it's not the first time I've been in a Volkswagen. My first car, no.
Second.
Take that back. My second car was a Volkswagen. So it feels cool being in a Volkswagen again. But this is a weird Volkswagen. It's kind of weird. Thank you for Chipotle.
You're welcome.
Buy one, get one free. They're gonna go right past us, watch.
No, he noticed.
He did?
No, he didn't.
What a fucker. Yeah, he did.
He did, but he didn't.
I was hoping you guys wouldn't notice me.
I didn't. I was like, that's Hi, guys. Hello.
What up, y'all?
Chris did something so mean to me.
Bro,
What
so
did I
alright,
do?
guess what? So I get free public transportation, right?
Yeah.
But I'm only supposed to be the one who gets it.
Yeah.
And like, so we got on the right. Well, we didn't buy a ticket for her or anything.
Oh God, did
You got caught?
No, they were checking IDs or like, you know, passes. I showed them my military ID and then they looked at her. I was like, oh, I thought I could bring one person with me. And I was like, for military, like, oh, okay, yeah.
And it's not even true.
And it's not true.
Damn.
Oh, that's cool. So
That's dope.
he almost gave me a heart attack.
Okay, we came to the mall. Chris found friends. And Jem found Christmas presents.
I did. It's a light.
Bailey found stuff she doesn't need. What is that? Nails? Nail stuff. Your nails are like freaking huge. They're like 3 inches long.
Her nails are always that long.
Really?
Yes.
No, I don't.
Deserve it. Yes.
Bro,
No, I don't. What's up, bro?
it's a new one. Burberry.
Thank you.
You know him.
God, Chris, that's 2 and 1. We've been here for 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, I know.
You've seen like 4 people already. How's your night going, bro?
Just been chilling, brother. How you doing?
Good. You? Having a long day?
Yeah.
Have a good one, bro. Joseph, you gonna hook me up or what?
With these nuts.
Look at this Lego.
Oh, you took my deal.
Do it, Bailey. I didn't even see you. It's really dark in there. Chris is inside the frog.
I showed them all I had a faith in you. I showed them all I had a faith in you. I showed them all I had a faith in you.
What should I ask you?
I don't know. You said Bailey. What should I ask Bailey?
Bailey, do you love me?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Joseph's giving us a ride to my car, and we're gonna go to Layla's because Bailey's never tried it yet. So if it's really thin, do I put it at lower?